Right. What we have done so far is that we have found a bunch of courses. We had a look at the overview of those courses to have an idea whether or not this is something we want to study. This degree program is related to our taste or not. For example, we went to this website, to this University of Stuttgart. The course was computational mechanics. Over here there was an overview and course detail. Right now what we want to do, we want to look into the requirements for the application process. We want to know what are the deadlines and how we can actually apply for this degree program, right? So if you see this tab, this is the tab where there will be a brief introduction, or there will be a brief guidelines about the application requirements, about the medium of instructions and the deadline, etc. In this case, it is quite unusual. They refer us to the original website of the Commerce, which is a degree program. But in most cases, there will be some guidelines mentioned over here as well. But don't worry, that's not an issue. If you see here, on all the degree programs, so regardless of the university, regardless of the degree program, on the right side, there will always be an email, there will always be a course website, which will take us to the course website. So if I click here, this is the original, or this is the official website of Computational Mechanics of Materials and Structure, right? It is a website for the chair for the degree program, right? Come down. When you come down, you see here that there is an application for admission in academic year. So this tab, it will take you to the application process. But what I want to show you is that in case you're still unsure, you're still not sure what the degree program is all about, what you will be studying, what are the future prospects of this degree program. So you come down, or you have a look at the website, and you will find something related to program, academics, admission, something like this. Yeah. So if I open program or admission in the new tab, so this is the program. It tells you what the degree program is all about. Here you see the curriculum. So this is like the guideline, or it is the roadmap. So in the first semester you will study the core courses, or that these are the courses that are mandatory. Then you have elective courses, then you have thesis. But that's what I want to show you. So in the first semester you will be offered continuum mechanics, computational materials, discretization methods, engineering materials. Then there are elective courses. There are computational material science, there are fuzzy methods, which are numerical methods, there are introduction to model order reduction, there is multi-phase modeling. So all these courses, right, all these courses you go through, now you have an exact idea what you will be studying. You will know whether or not this is something that you really want to pursue in your career. Okay, I close this down. When you come to admissions, see, right now there is the requirement, there is the eligibility criteria, what you need, there is the requirements as well. So minimum qualification, it should be written somewhere here. Yeah, you need a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, or some discipline that is related to mechanical engineering, right? Okay, deadline. The deadline, it says the applications are accepted from November 15th to February 15th, and the documents required. So now here are all the documents required. You need the list of courses, you need a transcript, you need a degree certificate, bachelor degree certificate, you need IELTS somewhere, you need a resume, you need recommendation letter, and there should be a personal statement, right? So which is a statement of purpose or motivation letter, that why do you want to study in this particular course in this particular university, and what makes you an ideal candidate for this. Okay, so we have talked about the application requirements. Now if you want to apply for this degree course, so we go here, application for admissions. Okay, again it will tell you that the deadline is February 15th, and we have to apply through campus management system. Basically all the top universities in Germany, they accept online applications. They have a separate portal for the submission of online portals. For University of Stuttgart, they have this portal. You can go here to apply online, or you can come down and have a look what does this website or what does this page offer. So application for a master program, if I open it in a new tab, you will see that there will be a very detailed explanation. everything you need to do, it is given in here. It is very well explained, it's quite easy, and it's very straightforward. So we go to this website, you have to go to this website, you log in. If you don't have an account, you have to make an account. Okay, so from here, you have to go to applications, you open a new, enter new application, then you select winter semester, you want to study in 2018, 2019 or 2019, 2020. You select a degree program, and then all the information you have to do, you just follow the instructions, you submit your application. Okay, once you submitted your applications, you can download it as well. Again, the procedure is shown over here. It's very detailed process. So for example, you go here on this zoom or the microscope, I don't know, the lens tab, and from here you can print your application. You print it out, you sign it, you scan it, and then if your admission portal looks something like this, where it says that the application for admission, you need that you need that soft copy, so you can upload your documents in that portal, and that way it will be ticked X as green, right? But not all the programs demand it. Certain programs they require it, certain do not. But in case your degree program need that online application, this is how you can do. So I will just tell you very briefly how to proceed. You go to campus management portal. This is in English, but if it's not in English over here, this is you can switch your language over here. So okay. Yeah, that's the instructions. Okay, so we are not a student, and we have to apply, right? So we can register here for a new applicant account. So you enter your particulars, create applicant account, and then you can click here, you can log in, right? So this is a very straightforward process. Everything from this step forward will be well explained. You will be asked to submit documents, online documents, which will be letter of motivation, which will be letter of recommendations, your CV, all your transcript, degrees, and if there is any your language certificate, and if there is anything else, it will be mentioned. So you just have to submit all the documents, upload all the documents, and submit your application. That's all.